DoNotPay online legal forms app. The pros, the cons. The DoNotPay online legal forms app promises to make legal documents simple, but most people get this wrong by thinking it's only for disputes or fines. The surprising truth is that it covers a wide range of forms, from lease agreements to power of attorney, helping users handle legal paperwork quickly and affordably. One major pro is convenience. Users can generate forms in minutes through guided questions, download them instantly, and even submit certain documents electronically. For example, a tenant can create a legally binding lease termination notice without hiring a lawyer. Another advantage is cost efficiency. Many traditional legal forms require attorney fees, but DoNotPay offers access to a wide library of forms for a fraction of the cost. It also includes tips and explanations so users understand what each section means, reducing errors. However, there are cons. The app may not cover highly specialized or multi-state legal requirements, and complex legal issues might still require a licensed attorney. Users must carefully input accurate information, or the forms could be invalid or contested. In conclusion, the DoNotPay online legal forms app is a valuable resource for anyone looking to create standard legal documents quickly, accurately, and affordably. While it doesn't replace professional legal counsel for complicated matters, it provides accessibility, clarity, and a practical solution for everyday legal needs.